Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into Battlenet using your account email and password. This is required to change identity settings. Once done, open Account Settings and go directly to the General or Profile area where your Battle tag or account name lives. Make sure two-factor authentication is available and your email is verified, because some changes require a secure account. Don't pause, click the Edit or Change button next to your Battle tag to begin entering a new name now. Now you choose the new Battle tag and type it into the change field. Pick something concise and compliant with Blizzard's character rules. After typing, check availability. If the name is taken, you'll usually be offered numeric suffixes or must-try alternatives. Once you have an available option, follow on-screen prompts to verify identity, re-enter password, and complete two-factor authentication when requested. This step confirms the change belongs to you and prevents accidental or malicious renames. Finish by saving the new Battle tag and waiting a short while for the change to propagate across Blizzard services. Once saved, restart the Battlenet client and sign back in to verify your new name appears in the launcher and in-game. If you don't see the update, clear the client cache or log out and back in. Sometimes propagation is delayed. If problems persist, contact Blizzard support with account details and a screenshot. This speeds resolution and ensures your change completes correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.